Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this video, I'm gonna explain about file conventions of app router. We have layout, pages, loading, not found, error, global error, route, template, default. These are the special files we will have in the app router to achieve the routing which we want. In this video, I'm going to explain about only few files in a flow. In upcoming videos, I will explain every file individually so you can understand with a good knowledge. Let's start the practical demonstration. So now we are in a Next.Js application. Here we have a page.js which will be act as a landing page or home page. So I want to change the UI. Let me remove this and let me provide some elements here. So div tag home, and let me start the terminal, and we can go to the front end. You can see now the URL has been available for user. Let me click here and go to the front end. So now the landing page will be rendered. You can see our home page has been rendered successfully. Previously we have index.js. Now it has been changed to page.js. Next, I want to create a new file to achieve routing. So first of all, I'm creating a home, otherwise about folder. Inside this folder, I'm creating page.js. So you have to create a page.js for every route which you want. Then only the particular route segment will be available in public. Otherwise, it will not available in a public. In this way, we can reduce the accidental rendering. Let's create a React function, and here let me give about page and go to the landing page. Import the link tag. Import link in the same way. Next, let's use the link tag to navigate. Link, and here I'm going to provide about and href. So here I'm going to provide about. So here we are getting the error. So we have to add fragments. So the error will be removed. Now let's go to the front end. Here if you hover about, you can see the URL in the bottom. You can see in the left corner bottom. Click this about. So you will navigate to the about page. Now we have landed in the about page. Here I'm going to create a loading file, loading.js, and create a function. Here in loading I'm going to provide dots, and in the about page I'm going to convert this function as a asynchronous function, and I'm going to use the Axios to get the some data from API. Create a new terminal and install Axios. In the meantime, we can import Axios from Axios, and here data, and we have to provide await and Axios get. You have to provide a fake API. So I'm going to browser and provide fake API. You can see JSON placeholder. So here we can find n number of datas which will available in public. So I copy this URL. You can see the datas here. So let's go to the Axios data. So the data which is coming from this URL store in the data.data. Here in about page, I'm going to provide one curly braces, and again I'm going to provide some fragments to overcome the error. Here I'm going to provide data.data.map and provide arrow function. Here you will get the item. So here I'm going to provide div tag. So remove this and provide item dot title and key. Here you can copy the values and format the document. Go to the front end. In about page you can see all these data, but if you go to home page, if you click this about page, you can see the loading page. You can see this loading page and this data has been rendered. So this particular loading.js will load the this file until unless the page.js has been rendered successfully. Next, I'm going to explain about layout. So in this layout, let me close the terminal. Here we have children. So in above children, I'm going to provide one div tag and header. Div tag, header, and let me copy and provide here as a footer. You can see this root layout will be reflecting every pages. Go to about page. You can see header in a way. You can see footer. So go to the home page. If we wait, here you can see header, footer. If you add a layout inside this global root layout, it will be reflected in every pages. Next, I'm going to create another file which is going to be a global not found.js, and this is the custom 404 error page. So here I'm going to provide not found 404 error. Now let me go to the front end. So we have done few mistakes in naming for a function, so we should not provide this special character here. Now go to front end, refresh the page. Now the home page has been rendered successfully. If you move to about, this page also has been rendered successfully, but you didn't create a page called login. But I'm going to provide name login route here. In this case it will throw 404. I have given a custom error page, so this custom error page will be thrown here. You can think, if we didn't provide not found, what will happen? If you remove this not found page and go to the front end, refresh, you will get the default 404 Next.Js error page. This is how, these are the basic file conventions for the app router. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates regularly on time.